The mobile app market is constantly growing, with revenue from the industry continuing to skyrocket year after year. So, if you're looking to build your own app, it's always the right time to get started. But what programming language should you use? Hi, I'm Ryan from Webiotic. In this video, we'll review which language is the best to get started in creating your own mobile app and how you can make the right choice for your project. When it comes to app development, there isn't really one single best programming language, and it really depends on what kind of app you're making. Let's take a look at some of the most popular languages for app development so you can make the best choice. Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it's no wonder why. It's a powerful and robust server-side language and has the most completed open source projects by developers. This language is most often used for Android app development. It's flexible, and Android already has a number of development tools for it. JavaScript. JavaScript has been a long-time programming language favorite among developers, and many will argue that it's the best programming language. Period. It's become even more popular with the rise of frameworks like Vue and React.js that help build front-end UI components. JavaScript is also a server-side language, and it's often a developer's top choice language for a variety of reasons. Not only is it a great language for developers of all skill levels, but it can be run everywhere, on every device, and on both the client side and server side. Swift. Swift by Apple is a popular programming language and has surpassed Objective-C as the preferred language for iOS app development. It's a very reliable, type-safe language that's also not too difficult to code in, unlike other languages like Objective-C. Swift is also highly interactive, meaning it can work in an interactive environment and you can see the output while you're coding. This also makes it easy to catch coding errors at the coding stage. Another perk is that Swift is completely free and open source. Kotlin. Kotlin is a newer programming language and is a great alternative to Java. It's also the official language for the Android app development created by Google, so it's certainly worth learning if you want to create Android apps. It has native support and it's supported by IDEs like Android Studio and IntelliJ IDEA. With so many new languages and frameworks out there, it can be hard to make the right decision when it comes to developing an app. Remember to keep the 3 P's in mind before deciding: practical, popular, and prosperous. The programming language should be practical. It should give you ample control over your project without needing too many external resources. It should be popular. Choosing a language that's popular is important because popularity means you'll have a large community behind it, a wealth of tools, frameworks, and resources to use. And finally, the language you choose should be prosperous. It shouldn't just be the language of the hour, but rather the one that's foreseen to be used many years down the road. Every programming language has its pros and cons, and not a single one is perfect. Picking the right one is all about what kind of app you're trying to build and for what platform. Knowing these details first will help you narrow down your list so you can make the best choice for your specific app project. Ready to get started? I hope you learned something today about the best programming language for mobile app development. For more help with your app, subscribe to our channel. If you liked this video, please like it and share it with others. Thank you for watching.